Hello and welcome to Space Time with Robert. I'm Robert. We're at the moon again, and man, does it look beautiful. That's so cool. This time we're looking through an Apertura AD10 telescope. So this is a different telescope than we used last night. This one's, we named it Carl, after Carl Sagan. Hey you, yo, what's up, man? We're looking at the moon through an Apertura AD10. A little out of focus. Ooh, look at those craters. Look at those mountain ridges and everything like that. That's awesome. Last night, one of those craters, I think it was Copernicus, was just blowing up. Nice. Well, I wish it was clear for you as well. Arian's Astro helped me figure out how to do some planetary imaging and really helped me get one of my best photos of Saturn I've ever gotten. Just through the power of editing. Well, that's a truck. I'm at work right now. Oh, I don't think he's going to turn that off. Hey, how's it going? Sorry it's so loud. Just a big semi-truck warming up over there. Yes, it is. And here, check this out. This is the telescope that we're looking at right now. This is the Apertura AD10. I don't know, actually. It's a good question. Is today the Orionids? That's a photo of the moon last night through this phone. And here it is now. So if you notice, that little horseshoe up there is nice and bright today. Copernicus is nice and bright. That ridge is well illuminated. It's not like the shadow was just on the mountain ridge. Here, I'll zoom in on that for you. So the mountain ridge that's passing right there at the top, just below the live thing. Oh man, that's so cool. You can see the morning, the morning rays casting onto the lunar surface. That's so awesome. All right, we're going to jump over to Jupiter here pretty soon. Just because I want to compare it with last night. Get some good looks at these craters. Heck yeah. Alright, let's go to Jupiter. First off, this is what Jupiter looked like last night. We had 3 moons out there. And I believe it was Callisto, Europa, and Io. Right? Okay. Let's see what it looks like tonight. Let's make this really bright. Boom. Okay, and we're going to Jupiter. Well, where is it? Okay, hang on. We're going to do some science real quick. So I need to line up my viewfinder, which is something I should have done first. Come on. Now, if I aim it right here, oh, get back here, right here at the tippy top of the moon. Hello! Look in the viewfinder. Yeah, I was off by just a wee bit, so I'm going to adjust my viewfinder. Cool. It's a little bit more centered. All right. Now, let's try and go back to Jupiter. Oh, I already see some moons in the viewfinder. Oh, cool. Hey, see, there you go. That's how you do it. Huh. Oh, yeah, I think we're using a Barlow lens. And that's what's making it flip. The moons were on the left last time we looked at this. Heck yeah, that's super cool. Alright, making sure I got all the questions. Cool. I'm at work right now, taking a lunch break. All right, that's Saturn. That's Jupiter, my bad. That's Jupiter. And again, just for comparison, it looked like that, but with the, reversed through mirrors. We are watching this from Bellingham, Washington, in the United States. Let me see if I could zoom in on it. Heck yeah, that's so cool. All right. I'm adjusting the brightness. You can kind of see the equatorial bands. Cool. That's planet Jupiter. There, I'll just let it drift by, and we'll get a good look at this. I changed the lightness by using a Meade variable filter. Let me see. No, I don't have a photo of the product, but it has a little dial that allows me to interchange two luminosity filters, and this will change the brightness. For instance, here I'll zoom out. And then let's change that brightness again. Cool. It's like a little magic trick. So it's a Meade variable filter. All right, I think our system is dialed in here. Let's jump on over to Saturn. Okay. Oh, there's some clouds coming in, I can see. Awesome possum. Ooh, look at that ring. All right, we will go closer. No, this is not a natural Instagram filter. There's no filter, actually. The filters that I'm using are physical filters that go in between the light path that's hitting my phone right now. So it's going into the telescope, it's bouncing off some mirrors, which is why we're seeing a reversed image. Then it has to go through the physical filters that block out some of the light that I can change, just like this. Ooh, make it darker. And then that's what we're seeing. So yeah, no digital filters. That's pretty cool. Whoa, where are you going? Sorry, just gotta keep moving it. Okay. I can almost make out the Cassini division. That's a little gap in the rings. That's so cool. Ooh, what's the code? I don't know what the code is. But the telescope is right here. It's a Apertura AD10. Ooh, hello. Tuxedo cat. I love tuxedo cats. I have a tuxedo cat. His name is Bucky. Yeah, no problem. All right, I want to look at a double star really quick, if that's all right with y'all. I'm going to brighten this back up. So one last look at Saturn. We'll come back to it. I have about a half hour. All right, that was Saturn. Here's the moon. Here's Jupiter. Mars? Yeah, you got it. That's so cool. I love Jupiter. All right, let's go to Mars. Now, Mars is really low in the sky right now. Yeah, those were some of the moons around Jupiter. Wow. Maybe I should zoom out. All right. Any other demands? Or, sorry, requests. My bad. Yeah, that's as good as I can get on the focus. It's just because it's so low in the horizon, so there's a lot more atmosphere that it has to go through. The light that's bouncing off of Mars right now. Otherwise, we'd have a nice crispy image. Let's go check out a double star real quick, just because I love looking at double stars. We'll change the brightness. Make it real bright again so we can see what's going on. Here's a star. Let's see. Still haven't really looked up what star this is. About as bright as I can make it. But notice how it's changing colors. I feel like it's changing colors. Let's see. Doesn't that thing look weird? This is a star. This is towards the north, and so I want to say it's I think this is Capella. Yeah, because Perseus is right there up to the upper right of this star, and Cassiopeia is way up above that. And I know Cassiopeia is above Perseus because then you have Andromeda just to the right of that. So, yeah, I believe this is Capella that we're looking at. All right, let's go to a double star. We're going to go to Mizar and Alcor in the Big Dipper. Just one of my favorites. You know, some people eat food on their lunch breaks. The Magellan Cloud is not visible from where I'm at in the North Hemisphere. That'd be really cool if it was. And for anyone wondering, that's one of our nearest neighboring galaxies. Right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I am at 48 degrees north. On the Pacific coast of America. So I don't know my exact longitude and latitude, but yeah, I know I'm 48 degrees north at least. I hope that helps. Hendra. Cool. So if you go outside and look at the Big Dipper, if it's nighttime for you, and see the second star in the handle of the Big Dipper, that's what we're looking at right now. And I think I see Vega. We could try and do Vega really quick. That's so cool. I love stars. I tried to do Vega last time, and it was a little high. But this telescope seems to like... oh, nope, nope, maybe not. Let's go back to the moon. The phone started sliding off the eyepiece. Oh, that's awesome. Hello from Indonesia. Yep. Got to give everybody their dose of the moon, especially when it's clear out. We don't get too many clear nights out here. Drop that exposure. Yeah, the moon is just so pretty to look at. Does Explore Scientific ship to Turkey? I wonder. They've got some pretty good stuff right now. Otherwise, you could make your own telescope too. No way. That's so much money. For Sep Merrill, 311. That's too much money for a telescope. For $4,100, no thank you. I am at 48 degrees north. And I'm looking out for the International Space Station in case I see it. Also, any satellites. I'll zoom on over to those. There might be some birds headed right in front of us. We'll see. That'd be really cool if they head right in front of the moon. Come on, birds, put on a show. Well, it looks like they're going to go just under it. Darn. I've seen some pretty weird stuff. Yeah, but not anything that I'd say is completely unidentifiable. I would say it's more likely asteroids or satellites. Those are the weirdest things I've seen. Let's go back to Jupiter. Jupiter's awesome. Looks like it's a little out of... No. I'm going to increase the brightness. All right, I've got about 5 minutes left on my break. Now, small town supersound. Sorry, 1 second. I have a question for you. I would like to know, small town, have you seen any UFOs? Oh, darn it, I totally misread your question. Yeah, altitude above sea level. No, my bad. I'm pretty close to sea level, I want to say. Not that high up. Less than 1,000 feet. Is that a moon over there? Do y'all see that? Whoa, I think we see all the moons right there. Small town, I've been doing this for 3 years. Been playing around with telescopes and showing people space for 3 years publicly. It's a lot of fun. I did it privately for about 1 year, meaning like I just did it by myself and with friends. But I mean, hey, no, you're my friend too. I mean that. But I mean, like, you know, barbecues and stuff. Ooh, that's a little out of focus. You see how the stars look like they're two stars? We don't want that. We want it to look like that. There, that's pretty. Little jewels. Oh, that's so awesome. Where did you see the weird light? Let's figure this out. You've seen some weird light in the night, but don't know what it is. We could do some science. It is a good car. Oh, that's so cool. Now we can see the moons and some of the belts. Yes, my name is Robert. Thanks. Welcome to Space Time with Robert. I'm in Bellingham, Washington. Hendra. So, for anybody joining in right now, we are looking at planet Jupiter through a big old telescope. And in 1 second, I'm just going to jump over to Saturn here once this passes by one more time. You can see it's a little foggy out here, but that's still pretty cool. And I just really wanted to see where these moons were tonight. I'll take a snapshot of this video and compare it with the one that we did last night, and we can see the motion of the moons. To Saturn we go. All right, we'll stay here for about a minute. Let's jump back over to the moon, and then I gotta go back to work. Yeah, no, it cleared up remarkably tonight over Washington. Yeah, I thought there would be no more clear skies for a while, too. Hey, that looks really cool, actually. Oh, don't worry. If it gets clear out again, I'll definitely come back out. All right. That was my thing just beeping at me here. I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to go press some buttons. I'll be right back. Get up there. Where are you going? Dude, I'm addicted to telescopes, I swear. Oh, yeah, no, I'm at work right now, Hendra, and so those trucks you're hearing are just UPS trucks doing their thing. We should have a quiet minute here for minute or two here. Where's Fila? Oh, Philadelphia. Is that what you meant? Or is that what I think you meant? Ooh. All right, I gotta get going. Sorry. Do you see it the same we see, or is it because the cell phone is a different image? Sorry, one second. I don't know, honestly. I'm trying to figure it out. I think I do see it the same that you see it, just a little higher quality on my cell phone. But if I were to use just my eye, it looks way better. That's so cool. Yeah. The image is more clear in the telescope versus if you were to look at versus the phone, yes. Right now there are some clouds getting in the way. And it looks really cool. Let's see if I can get some of that glow that's happening right now. Let's focus it. Yeah, no, thanks for joining in. Hope I answered all your questions correctly. If not, let me know. Whoa, that is a lot of detail. Whoa, I see a canyon. I see a crater inside. I see two craters inside of a crater. I see, 5 craters inside of another crater. Oh, well, it looks like my break just got extended. Hang on, I have a visitor. Hola, señor. Would you like a quick tour of the sky?
Can you get all 3 of them?
No, I wish I could get all 3 on one shot. This is Hendra. This is the type of telescope we're using right here. It's up at the upper right. That's an Apertura AD10 telescope. And check it out. That's the moon.
Was it on Monday? That sliver, or I guess it was Monday last week, or no, whenever it was.
I just made it super bright. All right, here, I'll show you Jupiter real quick. Oh, where'd it go? Let me know.
There it is. So bright.
I know, isn't that cool?
I can see the stripes almost. Yeah, just barely.
Moons. All right, Saturn. Let's do Saturn real quick.
There it is.
Where'd you go?
There it goes. I think it went.
Yeet.
Oh, there it goes.
Doot, 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 doot. Yeah, those were the moons of Jupiter. Hey, yeah, we can see the moon. Hey, Shine. Isn't that rad? That's pretty cool. Where'd it go? Get back here. Oh, it's so slippery.
Da 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 da.
Dun, 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 dun. Hey, yeah, thanks for joining in. Have a great day, Chandra. Or Hendra, my bad. And then I'm going to show Cheyenne the moon. Because moon.
Ka-chunk.
That is an out of focus moon. Play ball. Ooh, keeps going out of focus.
Is that your camera trying to autofocus?
I think it is. It might be the brightness. Here, I'll play with the brightness. It's like, what is this that we're looking at? Look at all those craters. Oh, that's so cool. I have an awesome view of the moon behind some trees out of the drive-thru at work tonight. Right now, that's so awesome. We all wish we had an office with a view. I think that's what Office Space was, that one scene where he just dismantles his desk and throws it over so he can look out the window. Then his boss comes up and is like, I need you to work tomorrow. He's playing Tetris. I feel like that's kind of what I'm doing right now. It's like, no, I'm not working. Oh, man. I like it bright. I have no idea where I'm going. Don't worry. Oh, whoa! You can see these little ridges that are curling off to the upper left there. These little canyons.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
there's one. Whoa!
Are they canyons, or is it just a shadow that's...
It's probably just, a shadow. Or maybe it is. Oh,
I was looking at those ones, kind of almost looks more like
right.
a ridge. Although that one's different, though. Yeah, that one's different. There's not a...
That one right there?
Yeah.
That long streak that's going right underneath the viewer's number right there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I gotta go. Oh, whoa, look at this crater down here.
Chunk.
Oh, I'm slipping all over the place.
So you plug it in. Boop.
Yeah, right. That's the moon's plug right there. That's how you power it up. If you were wondering. It's definitely not a USB. Thank you. Yeah, it is chilly out. Oh man, that's so cool looking. I just love like the high def.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. All right. Thanks for joining, y'all. Love ya. Stay warm. Bye. Ah.